Look at that, just perfect little blocks of ice. Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. Today I'm checking out this Ecozy ice maker. All right, this is a little countertop one. We got some instructions here on top. So I think they recommend that you leave them horizontal or vertical for 24 hours before you run it. This is not very big. It's, let's see, 9 inches wide. Looks like it's about 14.5 inches tall and 13 inches long there. Got our nice stainless steel here. This thing just opens up. A couple little ice bags. 8 pounds of ice. Got a nice little scoop here. That's pretty sweet. This can be removed, obviously. So unlike that tape on my finger. All right, so this comes out. Fill this up with ice. You just pull this out if you want to. Dump your ice. That just goes back in there nicely. We have a thing up here and lift the float to the highest position. So we have a little float in here, water sensors and things like that at the top. And then we also have this tank here. This is 1.8 liters. I think we're just gonna, before you use this for actual ice, you wanna rinse it out, wash it, maybe run, usually I run just a little bit of vinegar and some water in there and then just rinse it out. So we'll do that. Here's the display. We got our Wi-Fi button, clean. I just put it in, hit clean. Got our timer up and down. It tells the water temperature, the total dissolved solids, and all the stuff on here. Very cool. All right guys, so what I like about this is we have our nice big screen here. All these are touch buttons. Very easy to turn on and off. I cleaned it. I ran a little bit of vinegar, some water, ran that through there, hit the clean cycle. It takes about 10 minutes. There's a little drain plug in the bottom. I just put it over my sink, just moved it over to the sink, pull that out, drain the water, and just ran some regular water through there. They recommend you clean it maybe like once a week, once or twice a month, something like that. Anyways, you can see the screen here. I synced it to my app, and once I did that, it gave us the time on there, so that's nice to have another thing on your counter that just tells you the time. So we got air temp, water temp, and then the total dissolved solids in your water. So we're at 54, so that is nice. We've got the little snow thing indicator, means we're making ice. So it's been 24 minutes. We've got a good amount of ice kicking off here, as we can see, and this ice is just perfectly bite-sized. If you like people so much to like chew on ice or anything, look at that. Just perfect little blocks of ice. It's pretty amazing. Comes with this great little scoop here. So yeah, starts cranking it out. The bucket here. Sorry, I don't know if I should pull this out while it's going, but you just pull this out. You can fill it up with water. It starts doing its thing. So we'll let it run for a little longer. But check this thing out. It looks nice and compact. It matches pretty much all kitchens with the stainless steel and the black. I think it really looks really cool. We can turn the light off too if we want. I think it looks really nice with the light on. But if you're looking for some nice, perfectly sized ice for your beverage. All right, friends, well, just timed that perfectly. Got back from a little ride. Ice is full on the bin here. And we could see that has that nice sensor, so it tells when it is full. Definitely full there. So let's just turn off the ice thing. Now this bin here, we can either pull the bin out, just like that. It's got the little handles on there. We can set it out, get our ice out of here like this, or you can just leave it in there. And either way we want. So let's get some nice ice here. Oh wow, it's like perfect, guys. Look at this. Nothing, it's not all stuck together or anything like that. Just each individual cube. Look at that, that is like a little diamond of ice there. So tasty. We got some water. It's cold water now. This ice is perfect for if you're chewing on ice. This is excellent. I don't know if you like, I like the smaller ice rather than like the big cubes. I don't know, it just seems like it's more fun. But this whole little bin took about, probably about an hour or so. And that's nice. So if you can get on the app, this will fill up. It's not gonna overflow. It'll stop automatically. You can just throw it in there. Doesn't take up much space on your counter. Does an excellent job. It's quiet. I like the look. I like the extra clock up here, the touch buttons, the ability to just turn it on with the app. Hey, I want some ice. I'll be out. I'll be back from, or whatever, you know, I'm starting the barbecue now. I don't want to have to go in and do all this stuff, or you're out getting groceries. You can turn on the ice maker, have a good amount of ice ready in about an hour or so. Yeah, I'm just really impressed with it. I like all the features on here, super quiet, like I said, and it's easy to clean, has its own little clean cycle. It's just a great little ice maker. Anyways, friends, thanks for watching this review. I hope it's helpful. If you guys got any comments or anything, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to answer them. You guys have a great day. I'll see you next time.